is Kelly Schaffner behind this great big box. I came home today and found this on my doorstep. A great big ThredUp box. It came early. I am so excited. I want to tear into this box. ThredUp is a consignment shop. This is a box full of pre-owned clothes. They're supposed to be gently used and in good condition, so we'll check that out. This is a goodie box. So a stylist has selected some items that she thinks I might like. I filled out a very short style quiz, gave my style preferences and my price points, and they put a box together. From the moment I filled out the survey to the moment this landed on my door, it took less than a week. It was scheduled to come tomorrow, so I am thrilled that it's early and it is evening, and I wasn't planning to film a video, but I really can't wait to see what is in here. I have been inspired by other YouTubers that have scored some really cool pieces on ThredUp at just a fraction of retail prices. So that's exciting to me. I do everything clothing on this channel, and I hope that you will subscribe before you leave and tap the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And it's always about clothing. So if you like that type of thing, be certain to subscribe. Let's crack open this box. All right, this is what the box looks like. And if you see what we could do here, this is what the inside of the box looks like. So there is a gigantic, is that one gigantic bundle? Yeah. Oh, there's bundles inside of bundles, and there's paper, and oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we've got bundles and more bundles, and I am going to put this all on and share it with you. Before I start the try-on of the clothing, I think these are purses, so I want to open these purses real quick. And this is an Ann Taylor little purse, and this is useless to me. This is far too small for me to carry anywhere. My wallet won't even fit in a bag this size. So although this is really cute and I don't know the price, that's not something I'm going to keep. And then this looks like another really small clutch. So I am interested in receiving purses, but yeah, okay, now we have a wallet. It looks like a little wallet bag, and this is by Coach. And so again, it's really cute, but it's really small. And you know, I haven't found a need for a bag this small in a long, this is just a wristlet, and I haven't found a need for a bag this small in a long time. So although both of these are really pretty, I don't think that I need either one of them, but it looks like we have a handbag here. Oh wow. This is a kind of a green, mint green handbag, and this is by Liz Claiborne, and it honestly shows no signs of use on it. It's got the silver hardware. It does have a pocket on the side, which is almost mandatory for me. I like the pocket on the side for my cell phone, and it's a single bucket in there, but we do have a pocket on one pocket on this side, a zip pocket, and then there's two pockets on the other side. So I don't know. Oh, okay. We have a crossbody strap and a strap here. So this, we'll have to see what this costs, because this is kind of a cute bag. This feels like a leather bag, and this feels kind of nice. All right, there is a lot to talk about. They sent me 15 items to try on. 3 of those were the purses, the clutches, the wristlets, and we'll talk about those last. But the first thing I want to talk about are the blouses they sent. They sent me this top by Ivanka Trump, and is it Ivanka Trump? It's just a long sleeve, kind of a Henley. This feels like a polyester blend, almost like a chiffon. It's a really nice fabric, and very little signs of wear, if anywhere at all. This is not a real good color for me, but this top is Ivanka Trump, $22.99. So I know this brand is more if I was to purchase it brand new. I'm not real crazy about it. I'm not offended by the style. If it was a different color, I think I would like that top better. It's a long sleeve blouse for $32.99. This is a tunic length. It's kind of a smock top. It's got some great colors in it. This is a cotton fabric that feels like a bed sheet, that kind of fabric. This is just too long for me. I wasn't real crazy about the fit or the style of this top. $32.99. That is almost the most, where there's one more thing that is more expensive than that. That's what we'll talk about next. These pink denims, and these are by Doncaster. These are Doncaster Jeans, and these are like brand new. I mean, they feel brand new. This is a denim with a whole lot of stretch in it. It was just a little bit of gapping in the waistband for me. They were a straight leg and not a skinny, so it just feels unusual because I've been wearing so many skinnies lately, but this company has actually gone out of business. They were in business for a long, long time, so you just can't purchase these anymore unless you're getting them secondhand or at a consignment shop. So these are $37.99, and I'm guessing that's because these may be collector's items. I kind of like these. What did you think about these? And then we have the Hudson jeans. And so these to me seem dated. I recently sent a whole lot, about 30 pairs of denim to ThredUp, and I sent a whole lot of denim that had these back pockets, and these back pockets with the flaps can be really nice to make your bottom look a little rounder. I think it gives some definition to the bottom, but these happen to be tight in the thigh area for me. They were a lower rise than I like, and we have that flared boot cut hemline, which I'm not opposed to. I like the dark denim, but this does not feel current season to me. They feel like yesterday's news. I love Hudson. And these are only $30.99. But had I wanted that style, I would have kept my jeans that I donated that were that style. That's not really for me. Now we have, okay, these are the AG jeans. These are a jegging. These are $26.99. That is a really, really good price for AG. These, if you bought them in Nordstrom's, are going to be a couple $100, $1.50 on sale. They're really stretchy. This is a nice quality jegging. I don't know if I need these. These are a gray color. I just recently added a couple pair of gray denims to my closet, and if I had tried these first, they might have made the cut. The price really entices me on these. To have a pair of AGs in my closet would be nice. I just honestly don't know if I need them. They're only $26.99. Now let's talk about the dresses. This dress is the Freedom Trail dress. This dress is $18.99, and this is a polyester spandex blend, and it actually has two different types of fabric on it. It's got the elastic waistband drawstring and pockets in the front. This dress feels like it's made out of tent material. It is, I thought it was so adorable when I pulled it out of the box. I like that casual look, but I don't want to wear anything that feels like a heavy canvas on me. It's this dress is like new. It's $18.99. That's a great deal, but it does not feel good against my skin, so I'll be sending this one back. The next dress is by Just Me. They call this the woman's casual dress, and this is a little bit like a bodycon with the shorter cap sleeves and just a scoop neck. This is a pullover dress, and it is lined, and it was a little tight on me. The slip especially felt tight, but it's a nice heavy polyester fabric, so I did feel like it kind of cinched everything in. I felt very secure, and the dress was not too short. Just me, $17.99. This dress is from Connected Apparel, and at first glance I thought I could pick this up at TJ Maxx. This is $17.99, and when I tried this on, I really liked it. This panel of color in the center with these dark fabric on the sides and the back is very slimming to the waistline, and these colors are beautiful. I really was surprised when I tried this dress on how much I enjoyed it. It is a little short, just to my knees, but I wasn't opposed by the length at all. This was a fun dress. It's by Old Navy. This is a size medium. There's nothing about this dress that I liked. It's for $18.99. If you are a frequent shopper of Old Navy, you know you can pick dresses up brand new for less than $20 all the time. They're always having great sales on dresses, and this dress looks like it's been worn a lot. It's in good shape, but yeah, it's not my thing. I wouldn't buy this cut to begin with. It does have that gathered detail and kind of the open smock-like top and the long sleeves that are a little bit tight. One cool thing about ordering from Old Navy, if you do it online, you can also order tall sizes, which come a little bit longer. So I can get, that dress was too short, and I can get a dress that is the perfect length from Old Navy by ordering it online. This dress is from Talbot's, and this dress, I really enjoy it. This is a cotton jersey knit dress. It is super comfortable. It's got that little rolled sleeve up there, and it is buttoned down, and it's got a little belted with the same fabric, cotton fabric, but the belt does go the opposite direction, which is kind of fun. This is a really nice length for me. This dress is $24.99. That's a really good price, I think, for a Talbot's dress that is in the shape this one is, which is excellent. This dress, if it was worn, it was cared for very, very nicely. So this dress I want to add to my closet. This is by Tahari. Tahari is a brand that you can find at Macy's and Dillard's, Nordstrom's, and it's a dress that I really enjoy. I like this designer. I really kind of enjoy this print on. It's got the faux wrap on it, but it has a little ribbon detail. It's a zip back. It is fully lined with a very nice slip underneath. This dress is $24.99, and I think this dress, they call it a casual dress, and this dress can be dressed up with some navy shoes. That's kind of the way that I see it, or it can be worn with just some sandals. This dress I want to keep. This is the most expensive dress in the box. This is by Maggie London, and this is a wrap dress, and this has such an interesting pattern, and I love the collared neckline, and you'll see in the try-on how just unusual it is. It is a pretty deep V there. I had to adjust it a few times. Also, the hemline with the wrap is pretty interesting. This is a polyester blend. It's pretty wild. It's pretty wild, and it's one of those dresses that I could probably wear once a year. It's $26.99. I really want to hear your feedback on this dress because this one I like. I'm uncertain about buying it. I don't know how much wear it would get, but it certainly would leave the closet at least once a year. So let me know what you think about this one. Okay, moving on to the purses. The Coach Wristlet, which is really, really cute if you like that type of thing. And this wristlet is only $16.99, and that's a fabulous price. I just don't need it. I really don't. I can't see myself ever using it. Next one is the Ann Taylor clutch, and oh, I love the colors on this, and I wish it was larger. If this bag was larger, for $17.99, I would purchase it. But this bag is a bag that will never get used. Every time I get something like this, it goes in my donation bin. It's just too small for me. This is the only bag that is actually a size I would consider buying, and this is the Liz Claiborne bag. This is $26.99, and I think that's too much for a consignment Liz Claiborne bag. I really do. This is a bag that's sold at JCPenney's, and I know they run from like $30 to $40, so $26.99 I think is just too much. And the bag looks like new. So if I were to purchase it, I don't think I would pick this color for myself, and I would prefer to pay full price for a bag that I picked myself. So none of the purses are going to work. These are the items, the dresses that I'm thinking about keeping. Perhaps the Doncaster jeans and maybe the AG jeans. And wow, this was a lot of clothing. So I have 7 days to make up my mind, and I will send anything that I don't want back in the same box. I don't know if I will try this service again. This is a lot of fun. I have to kind of total the things that I'm thinking about buying and look at how often I will use those things. I will tell you another thing that's kind of been a turnoff. There is a musty smell in this box. Not one piece of clothing has an odor to it, but there's just an odor of old dirty clothes in this room right now. So I want to get this back ASAP. I look forward to hearing your thoughts on this ThredUp haul. It was a lot of fun for me. If you have tried ThredUp before, please let me know how it worked out for you. And you'll see in the future if I decide to try another box, but I'm really glad I tried it this time. Please give this video a thumbs up, help a girl out. I really appreciate it. Look for me in 2 more days. I'll have another video coming out for you in just 2 days. I can't wait to see you. Until then, blessings.